We are pleased to show you the 2020 Macan. The Porsche Macan is built for an intensive life in which the thirst for experience and thrills are ever present. It comes with a tremendously dynamic performance, luxurious interiors, and amazing safety features. This vehicle has less than 2,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: keyless entry, navigation system, power lift gate, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver airbag, passenger airbag, Bluetooth, power steering, anti-theft security system, cruise control. Your new ride is just a phone call away.